Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a peach crumble. This recipe is really delicious and it's so easy to make, you wouldn't even believe it. All it requires a couple of few ingredients. All you have to do is just put it all on top of each other and just place it in the oven and just go do whatever you want. It's so delicious, and it's the best thing about this recipe. If you're watching your diet, it doesn't consist a lot of sugar, and you could adjust the sugar based on your needs. I'm going to show you guys how to make it based on how I like it, and I usually don't like a lot of sweetness, and especially with fruity desserts. So let me show you how to make it. You will need sweet peaches. You could chop them however you want, some sugar, lemon juice, ground ginger, and ground cinnamon. First thing that we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and while the oven is preheating, we're going to add all the dry ingredients to the peaches and mix well, and then add the lemon juice and mix well again. The second step we're going to do is do the crumble mixture. We'll need some flour, brown sugar, melted butter, vanilla, salt, ground cinnamon, and oats. This step is so easy. All you have to do is put all the ingredients together and mix well with your hand. The consistency we're looking for is a sand wet texture. Make sure not to overmix though. The third step is pour the peach mixture in the baking dish and then add the crumble mixture on top. This step is all about preference. You could add as much as you want based on how thick you want the layers to be. Then bring a baking pan covered with aluminum foil with a wire rack on top and place the baking dish on top, and then place it in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes. If your crumble mixture starts to brown out fast, simply cover it with aluminum foil and place it back in the oven. Once it's done from baking, let it rest for 5 minutes. This recipe is so delicious and I highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.